How to add interests in Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set them up. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Here on the top, there's a section of complete profile. Tap on complete profile. So this is the place where you can set up and make different changes in your profile. Now slowly scroll down. So here's a section of interests. Simply tap on add interests. Now this is the place where you can select and add different ones. So it's up to you, and also make sure all of these will be displayed in your profile. At last, tap on save and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.